In this video, we're going to be going over how to cut base and lid for the Inception Lighting product line. First off, we're going to be going over how to cut base. A tip for you guys is to mark it with your thumbnail instead of having to pull out a pen, pencil, or a marker. You don't have to be too particular about cutting base since it will be hidden by the lid. So cutting it with a circular saw is just fine since it doesn't need to be square. Next, we're going to be going over how to cut lid. First off, grab a scrap piece of base to pop into the lid a couple inches down from where you're going to be cutting. In this example, we're going to be cutting the lid to fit a peak, and we're going to assume that peak is 90 degrees for this example. So we're setting the saw to 45 degrees. You can see that that scrap piece of base helps hold the lid more rigid so that the pressure from the saw doesn't warp it out of shape, giving you a more accurate cut. The saw does leave behind some burrs from where it's shaved away at that plastic. So once they've cooled off a little bit, I just break them right off. Slide that piece of base off, set the saw to the matching or mirror image angle, and grab your next piece of lid. In our tools video guide, we have an angle finder that we go over on how to find the angles of the buildings. And then when you go to cut your lid, you just divide that angle by the two pieces of lid that you'll be cutting. In almost all cases, you'll be cutting two pieces of lid at opposite angles to have a matching pair. And in this case, we have the two matching pairs to create our peak. Moving on, we're going to be cutting a piece of lid for an outside corner. Most buildings are going to have 90-degree corners on the outsides. Every once in a while, you'll have a building with some more detailed architecture, and they might have like a hexagon-shaped building or something that's kind of odd like that. Otherwise, it'll always be a 90-degree corner. So as you can see, this one will be for an outside corner, breaking off those burrs. And once you have two of those, forms your outside corner. And then we'll be doing the exact same thing, but for an inside corner. Typically, I'll always move the table of the saw before I move the saw head. I just think it's faster. And then I stand the lid up against that back rail. This gives me the other orientation for that 45-degree cut to change it from a peak to an inside corner. And here's those matching pair to make the inside 90-degree corner. Moving on to when you need to cut something to fit between two lids so it's a more exact cut, or just something that has a nice clean straight and square cut. Set that saw to 0 degrees and make it right so that you don't have a crooked lid that you're popping in the center somewhere that's an eyesore, especially on a one-story building or over an entranceway that's going to be seen a lot by the client. I do try to keep my saw nice and clean. I love this little leaf blower. And that's going to wrap it up here. So check out our next video to learn more about how to install Inception Lighting.